there everyone, I hope you are having a great day. Today I'd like to take you through another makeup tutorial inspired by the beauty of Morphe's Dare to Create palette and Revolution Extra Spice palette. From this I'm going to use the colors Vivid, which is orange, Bare, which is the beige, and from the Revolution Extra Spice palette I'm going to use Vitamin C, which is the yellow in matte, La Sun, which is a yellow shimmer, and Enchanted, which is burgundy. I'm going to use also 6 brushes, 2 large brushes as you saw there, 2 medium and 2 precision brushes, one for the beige concealer and the other one for the BarryM Dazzle Shine. I'm going to also use the Mac NC15 concealer, the concealer as you saw there in beige from the Revolution, Gauche eyeliner in black, which is just amazing. I wasn't sure whether I'm going to use Gauche or Collection, but in the end I'm going to use Gauche. That is why I showed you both. And also the fake lashes. In the end I did not use the Maybelline Drama eyeliner because I thought that Gauche was enough. So that's it really. So I started by applying the NC15 concealer from MAC because the makeup stays for longer if you apply that. I set it with the beige from the Dare to Create palette called Bare because otherwise the MAC concealer is going to be sticky. And on top of it I started applying with a large brush this gorgeous orange called Vivid from the Dare to Create palette. Once I'm happy with the way I blend it, I apply the concealer in beige from the Revolution palette. I applied using a precision brush purely because its own brush is very thick, you can't apply with it. And the only thing is you have to allow it to dry for several minutes, however thinly you apply. Afterwards, I'm going to apply the BarryM Dazzle Eye powder with a slightly wet precision brush in order to appear more shimmery. And I also applied underneath the eyebrows as well as you saw there in the inner eye area. I then set the area where I applied the concealer with the gorgeous Vitamin C, which is the yellow, on top of which I'm going to apply later on the gorgeous La Sun, which is the yellow shimmer. In the corner of the eye I'm going to apply with a precision brush. With a medium brush, I'm going to apply this burgundy called Enchanted from the Revolution palette, trying to erase my eyes as I always like doing because I have got hooded and droopy eyes, as you noticed by now. I apply a bit of Enchanted color underneath the eyes towards the outer eye area, but not much because I don't want to drop my eyes even further. And then I apply the Gauche eyeliner, which is a very gorgeous eyeliner. Is the one to last the longest I ever came across. Even after trying to remove it, you still have got traces there, as you noticed probably on my makeup when I started, because I applied it the day before for something else. So it's a gorgeous eyeliner. If you come across Gauche, just grab it, it's amazing. And no look is complete without applying the fake lashes. I really love these gorgeous fake lashes. They are very long and In real life, I can't really wear them because I feel like having a fringe, but for the sake of achieving a great video, yes, I'm using them. Well, I hope that this inspired you. Keep in touch with me and have a very nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.